Hello guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate our Python Sudoku game and I'll also explain our code for it. Hope you enjoy this video. After typing python main.py, this is our main menu. As you can see, there are 5 options provided. The first one is a tutorial, 2 to 4 are the free difficulties, and 5 is an option to exit the program. Let's try the tutorial first. Our tutorial is designed for players who doesn't really know how to play Sudoku. We provide some basic rules and also instructions to guide the players step by step and try to fill out the Sudoku. The text are printed out line by line so the user can press enter after reading each line. In our tutorial, there is an example provided, and this is our sample question. And these are the instructions, like for example, check the first and third row. Like the 2 rows already have the number 5, which means the 5 should be in this subgrid, and the only 2 possible positions for 5 is this 2. And then check column A and B again. Oh, this one already has a 5, so the 5 must be in this position. Let's input B and 2, B2. This is the new grid. You can see B2 is already placed with the number 5. And let's continue. Step 2. It's like every steps there will be instructions for the user to like read and follow, like guide them to complete and guide them to try to fill in the numbers. And oh, I just pressed enter, so it typed out this one. We just need to input again if we like input something wrong. And after the tutorial, if the user wants to see the answer, you can type continue to see the answer. And this is the answer provided. For the main game, we have 3 difficulties, and for each difficulties we have 4 questions for the player to choose. For demonstration, I chose Easy Puzzle Question 1. We save all the questions and answers database into a file, so the according board will be printed out according to players' choices. The play method is similar to the tutorial one. The player needs to input the placement as well as the digit. So after each time the player input, a new updated board will be printed out. After solving the Sudoku game, the player can either choose to continue playing another same level puzzle or go back to the main menu. During the game, we provided an option for the player to leave halfway in case he wanted to try a different level or try our tutorial first. The final option on our menu is a logout option for the user to log out. So now I'm going to explain some of our functions. So the first one is the file reader function. Basically, we store all of our Sudoku question database here as a text file, so we don't need to print it out like every time. It allows us to open the Sudoku questions from the database into our main code, which like make it more clear. These are grid printer functions. It prints out the grid like this one. It prints out the grid from the vertical lines and the horizontal lines. Oh, and also the color and the style imported, which makes our grid looks very good. Yes. Next is the coordinate converter function. This will assign the coordinates of the rows and the columns number. The user can input the positions in the form of like A1, B1, etc. And next is our grid editor function. It allows user to input a specific coordinate and a number. Then the number will be printed in that coordinate in the grid. And for the level function, which is basically our menu, you can see like if the user input 1, which is the tutorial, it will open the tutorial file and like print out the text and stuff. And then the main code includes like the functions I mentioned before, and it runs the game.